Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing just a short little impromptu video here. I did just get done filming my BoxyCharm unboxing, so I just literally like changed my top and put my hair up, so yeah. Anyhow, there has been this whole big drama going on about whether or not the Colourpop You Had Me at Hello palette is really a canceled Kathleenlights collab. And I don't normally do stuff like this, but I'm just really kind of intrigued myself. And so I figured today what I could do is just try and peel off the sticker and see if I have the same outcome as what is flying all across the internet. So if you do like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, I hope you will consider subscribing before you go. So if you want to see if I have a Kathleenlights Lumina palette or if it's just a Colourpop palette, please keep watching. Basically, if you look at the palette, you will notice that there are these lights up at the top. Previous Kathleenlights collabs with Colourpop have the same lights. I mean, she's known for her lights. Look at the name she's using. So you never know with these things what could have happened. Something with a contract might have fallen through, or I mean, I don't know. It's all speculation at this point. I'm not gonna really do that kind of video. This is all about me trying to get the sticker off and seeing what's underneath. I have watched various videos. This is extremely hard to get off. I tried to get off this little section on the back. I don't know if you can see, but it wouldn't come off. So I'm gonna try to blow dry this a little bit and loosen up the glue with the heat and see if it comes off.
Working pretty easily.
Oh, I can already see something under there. Can you guys see? I don't know if you can see, there's a little bit of gold underneath this section right here. I'm gonna just apply a little bit more heat and just keep going. Yeah, I mean, it's taking longer than I wanted it to, but it's 100% this Lumina palette. I'll tell you what, they did not want this sticker coming off. All right, you guys, clear as day. You really can't dispute this. This was originally the Lumina palette by Kathleenlights. Crazy. Huh. I don't know if I really have any thoughts on it. I mean, I will say this shade right here reminds me a little bit of that Super Shock shadow in the shade Where the Light Is. I don't know. Do these look like Kathleenlights colors? They could be. I don't really follow Kathleen that much, but overall it does kind of make you question, like, I wonder what happened. I wonder if they ever will address it or if it's just going to be one of those things. But either way, I don't know. Like, it's kind of cool. So That's it. Let me know if you guys did the same with your You Had Me at Hello palette and what you found underneath. I don't have time to do the back, but I might just see what kind of shades are on here. If it says anything, I would imagine that there's something on the back side too, but that's it. There you have it. The You Had Me at Hello palette is really Lumina palette. So if you did enjoy this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, I hope you will consider subscribing before you go. That's it, folks. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.